Yes. Hello dear students. Now we are going to do this question. Usually we used to do this question with taking log on both the sides, because I have told you whenever function to power function is there, we need to take log on both the sides. But right now this question I find with a very tricky method, so that trick I am telling you, I am not going to solve it with the proper method which we used to do in the whole exercise. This could be done with the trick also. So I am saying this as equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 into equation 2 I am doing. So it will become x into y. X into y is equals to square root of a to the power sine inverse t into under root a to the power cos inverse t. In multiplication powers will get added. In multiply we need to add the powers. So what it will become is square root of a to the power sine inverse t plus cos inverse t. And from inverse trigonometry we are knowing that sine inverse t plus cos inverse t is pi by 2. So it will become xy equals to square root of a to the power pi by 2. Now it's very easy, this whole is a constant. So when we are differentiating x, dy on dx, first function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first equals to 0. So dy on dx, x times okay, minus y. So dy on dx will be equals to minus y upon x. So we have proved with a tricky method. Yes, now this question it is given us y equals to sine inverse x. We are going to differentiate it. So there are things which we can apply. I am taking y के साथ sin, so it will become sin y equals to x. Sin y equals to x. Now I am differentiating both the sides. So it will become sin y will become cos y, then y will become dy on dx equals to 1. Now I could write dy on dx equals to 1 upon cos y. 1 upon cos y could be written as sec y. Again, now we are going to differentiate it because we need to have second derivative. If you don't want to go like that, then another technique could be applied. That also we could go 1 upon cos y. I could write dy on dx equals to 1 upon cos y can be written as under root 1 minus sine square y, and sine y is x. So dy on dx equals to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. I don't want root, squaring both the sides. Dy on dx to whole square is equals to 1 upon 1 minus x square. This I am taking on the other side. 1 minus x square dy on dx to whole square equals to 1. Differentiating both the sides, it will become 1 minus x square means first function differentiation of second 2 dy on dx to whole power 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now differentiation of dy upon dx will be second derivative d2y on dx square plus dy on dx to whole square, that is second function. Differentiation of first will be 1 ka derivative will be 0 and x square will be 2x equals to 0. Now dy on dx is in both, so I can take common. So what is left? 1 minus x square d2y on dx square minus x dy on dx equals to 0. For just to understand, I am taking other things, whatever I have taken common, to dy on dx on the other side, so that it becomes 0 in the next step. And this only was the thing to prove. Yes, this is little long. This could be done with another way also. So that is direct differentiation. Direct differentiation will give dy on dx equals to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. We are at this step directly. So I don't think this all is required up to this. Directly also we could go with this technique also. By chance while solving this question I have thought something else which have taken 2 to 3 extra steps also. So we'll not go with that. Yes, now with the property of log, log has property log a base b is equals to log a upon log b. So we are using this property in this. So it will become y is equals to log x upon log 7. Only for this property I am solving this question, otherwise it is not required. Only for this property we are going to solve this question. So now dy on dx equals to 1 upon log 7 ddx of log x. So dy on dx equals to 1 upon log 7 into log x will be 1 upon log x ddx of, with the chain rule, log x. So it will become 1 upon log 7 into 1 upon log x into 1 upon x. So this will be the answer of the above question.